Welcome back to Virtual PT. My name is Alex Grodzicki. I'm a doctor of physical therapy, and today we're going to be discussing neck hump, why it happens, and how you can fix it. We're going to be using Bon Jovi today to discuss some of today's content, and the first thing I want to talk about is the location of the neck hump. The neck hump typically lies in between the end of the neck and the start of the mid-back, right around that C7 region. And what happens is after staying in a posture of forward neck for a prolonged period of time, it actually starts to shoot that C7 vertebrae posteriorly or backwardly, and then over time your body tries to protect that vertebrae and actually starts to lay down fat. So in order to correct this issue or this hump, we're going to need to mobilize both the lower cervical spine as well as the upper thoracic spine to get some more joint movement within the spine, as well as work a little bit on posture, because as we just discussed, that's kind of the main concern and the start of this issue. Before we jump into some of these exercises, I want to remind you that if you're getting value out of today's content, to like and subscribe. To mobilize that lower neck or the lower cervical spine, you're going to need either a pillowcase or a towel. Go ahead and grab one of those. Once you got your pillowcase or towel, we're going to grab on the opposite ends of it like this. Go ahead, throw that around your neck, and then we're going to be pulling this pillowcase or towel forward like so. Sustain this pressure for about 2 to 3 seconds for 20 repetitions. To mobilize that mid-back, all you're going to need is a flat surface. Go ahead and clasp your hands and put it behind your neck. Then I want you to put your elbows on your flat surface. Lean back. You should feel a stretch right in that mid-back. And then I want you to look up towards the sky. Hold this for 3 seconds, 20 repetitions. This next exercise is to help you avoid that forward head posture. So we're going to go in the exact opposite direction and bring our head and neck back. So I want you to bring the ears back over your shoulders. Hold this position for 3 to 5 seconds, 20 repetitions. We're going to be going over 3 exercises to help scapular engagement, to help promote better posture. The first one is the I here. Lay on your belly and go ahead and lift your arm overhead, 20 repetitions. The next one is the T, arm going out to the side, 20 repetitions, still on your belly for this one. And then the last one is arm coming straight up, 20 repetitions as well. Hopefully you got some value out of today's video. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one.